Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, August 1st, 2017. Looks like we're going to be a little bit warmer today with the potential for temperatures to push up into the mid to upper 80s, possibly even a few lower 90s mixed in there in the Philadelphia metro as we have a little bit more of a warmer and a little bit more humid air mass in place. Yesterday we had dew points in the upper 50s to lower 60s. This morning, mid to upper 60s, so clearly an increase in humidity. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and in your urban areas. Look for winds to develop out of the southwest. Right along the coast, we could see a sea breeze with winds coming off the Atlantic Ocean. It's going to keep us a bit cooler in the upper 70s to lower 80s right along the immediate coast. But in the Delaware River Valley and in your urban areas, you're definitely going to be warming up into the mid to upper 80s for today. On the radar, it is pretty much high and dry out there with no significant impacts whatsoever throughout the region in terms of precipitation. And on our infrared satellite picture, high pressure is in control. This high pressure system will exit out of the region. And then we're going to be dealing with a series of weak cold fronts and little short waves moving through the region starting tomorrow and continuing on through the end of the week, leading to a threat for isolated showers and thunderstorms each day. Not a washout in any way, shape, or form, but as is typical for this time of year, keep an eye to the sky if you have any outdoor activities, as a thunderstorm can easily and quickly develop over your location without much notice. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, high pressure will be exiting the region. Can't rule out an extremely isolated shower or thunderstorm, but for the most part looking for sky cloud cover. Highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. I cannot rule out perhaps temperatures touching around 89, 90 degrees in a few isolated locations. For tonight, look for scattered cloud cover. Some fog is possible in the morning, but that's pretty much about it. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s with a noted increase in humidity. For tomorrow afternoon, a threat for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms. These thunderstorms will be capable of heavy downpours, occasional lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Thursday, rinse and repeat, another day of increasing humidity and also an isolated threat for showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, a cold front will approach the region, but will be weakening. Look for isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or early evening hours, lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, a stronger cold front will move through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now, the timing of this cold front looks to be mostly in the morning, so we may actually get some clearing by the time we get to the afternoon and evening hours. Look for low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures, though, on Saturday will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the entire region. On Sunday, high pressure will be in place with sky cloud cover expected and lower humidity. Lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s, highs in the mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, high pressure will exit the region with a few isolated showers and thunderstorms possible in the afternoon hours. Look for lows in the mid 60s, highs in the mid 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Tuesday, high pressure will be in place with sky cloud cover expected. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.